The man finishes his work with the ladder, then he starts folding it up. And that is when his streak of bad luck begins. A worker at the construction site throws wooden boards down. At that moment, another worker passes underneath. Fortunately, his helmet protects him from any serious injury. A person climbs up an electric pole, then starts walking on the power lines. Being so close to live wires can be extremely dangerous. Such actions pose a huge risk both to himself and to others around. A motorcycle is moving on the road when it suddenly loses balance. A moment of panic occurs around. Staying alert in traffic and using protective gear is very important. Remember, even a small mistake can lead to big consequences. Bur ikçi sigorta odasında çalışırken aniden beklenmedik bir patlama yaşanıyor. Electric equipment'larla çalışırken her zaman extra dikkatli olmak gerekir. Güvenlikleri hayat kurtarır. Size bile ortamlarda alınması gereken önemli önlemler. A motorcycle hits an obstacle and is thrown into the opposite lane. Luckily, the rider is unharmed. Staying alert on the road is the best way to prevent accidents. A man is trying to repair a water heater. Suddenly, it explodes, creating a serious danger. Workplace safety and injury prevention must always be a priority. Workers are digging near a wall to place a pipe. During the excavation, both teamwork and an excavator are involved. Suddenly, the wall collapses, creating a serious danger. In such hazardous moments, caution and proper precautions save lives. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe, and stay updated with new content.